Good morning, everyone. My name is Federico Polito. I'm Professor of Probability at the Department of Mathematics, and I am the coordinator of the Master of Science in Stochastics and Data Science. This program is coordinated by three departments: the Department of Mathematics, the ESOMAS department, where ESOMAS stands for Economics, Social Studies, Applied Mathematics and Statistics, and the Department of Computer Science. As I already mentioned, I'm the coordinator of the program, while the deputy coordinator is Professor Pierpaolo De Plasia. It's a classical Master of Science program, so the duration is 2 years. The access is open, but the personal preparation of the students is verified before their actual admission. For details on the admission procedure, you should consult our website, because the procedure may change year by year. Its structure stays more or less constant anyway. On the website, just follow applying and then admissions, and there you will find the details year by year. The general scenario anyway is the following. So if you have a bachelor in mathematics and you are graduated on time, or you are very close to graduating, in the sense that you have completed all the exams and you miss only the graduation, then you are automatically admitted to the program. Otherwise you must undertake a test. It's an online test, and it's meant to verify your personal preparation in analysis, probability, statistics, and the English language. For the deadlines, if your previous degree is obtained in Italy, then the typical deadline are more or less the end of June, the end of August, and the end of September. So you have three possibilities to apply. If you have degree obtained abroad, then you have separate deadlines, but clearly the admission criteria are the same. For the actual deadlines, you should directly consult the website appearing here on this slide. All the activities of the Master of Science take place at the School of Management and Economics, where the ESOMAS department is located. It's a quite large building in which several different degrees are taught. While being not exactly in the city center, it's not that far from it. So, why you should choose this program? This program was born some years ago in order to answer to a strong need expressed by the job market. So in recent years, it became clear to private companies and institutions in general that the large amount and the complexity of data that we have nowadays require a strong expertise and the use of effective specialized methods to deal with it. The figure of data scientist is really in strong need in the job market. But what's a data scientist? In fact, a data scientist is an expert in mathematics, which is a theoretical foundation, which gives the tools to understand and to use advanced statistical methods. But these statistical methods must also be implemented, and thus the data scientist is also an expert in computer science, especially programming languages for data analysis. In order to give our students all these competences, we have this study plan. The first semester is quite theoretical. It gives them the theoretical foundations. So we have mathematical analysis, probability theory, statistical inference, while from the second semester we are more focused on the modeling aspects of mathematics, studying stochastic processes and multivariate statistics, for instance. And then we start some computer science. The second year can certainly be personalized more by students, because they can more freely decide their own path. In particular, they have 12 free credits to spend in different exams, while the last 24 will be earned with the final dissertation. In order to encourage students to use these credits in a more personalized way, we give the opportunity to them to earn these credits by spending periods in private companies or institutions in general as internships. So we organize a yearly meeting with them, with the companies. The companies come at the meeting and present projects on which internships agreements can be established. Here is an example of some companies where internships were done in the past years. Furthermore, to promote international mobility, we periodically invite internationally renowned visiting professors. They usually teach modules inside regular courses. Then, of course, we have Erasmus Plus for studying abroad and for traineeship. On this, please consult the website, which gives all the details. But what happens to our students at the end of the program? Essentially, a half of them decide to undertake a career in private companies. Here we have a list of companies where we know that this has happened. But on our website there are more details, so please consult it. This happens in the field of data analytics, business intelligence, strategic consulting, banking, etc. The other half of them decide to undertake a PhD program. Also, this can happen in very different contexts, like very applied PhDs, such as an operational research, or very theoretical ones, and at very different universities in the world. So, if you have further questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. We have an email for generic questions and a specific one for questions related to the admission. Feel free to write us. Again, recall everything I told you is written in our website, so go there to have all the information and if you have doubts. Thank you very much for your attention.